Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to report a problem in Ton Wallet. If you are encountering an issue with Ton Wallet and need to report it, follow these steps. First, launch the Ton Keeper application on your device. Now, click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and you can see support button. You can click on this button and you will be redirected to Telegram and you can report your issue there. You can also click on contact us button and you will be redirected to mail. Before submitting the report, you might want to check the FAQ or troubleshooting guide available in the application, as it may already contain solution for common problems. If there is no in-app report, you can also send a detailed email to the support team with the information there. You can also reach out to the official social media platform or Ton community forums. After submitting a report, you should receive an acknowledgement or a ticket number. Keep track of this in case you need to follow up. By following these steps, you can effectively report any problem with Ton Wallet and get assistance from the support team or community. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.